Hey, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I'm planning a surprise birthday party for Emma.
Oh, that sounds fun. When is her birthday?
It's next Saturday.
That's soon. Where are you thinking of having it?
I was thinking about hosting it at my house.
That could work. Is there enough space?
Yes, I have a big living room and backyard.
Perfect. How many people are you inviting?
Around 15 friends, maybe a few more.
Are you telling everyone to keep it a secret?
Definitely. I've already told them not to say anything to Emma.
Good. What time will the party start?
Around 6 p.m., so she doesn't suspect anything.
How will you get her to your house?
I'll invite her for a movie night, and she won't know about the party.
Clever. What about decorations?
I'm thinking balloons, banners, and fairy lights.
Nice. Do you need help buying them?
Yes, could you come shopping with me tomorrow?
Sure. What time?
Let's go in the afternoon, around 3 p.m.
Sounds good. Have you thought about the cake?
Yes, I'm ordering a chocolate cake with her name on it.
How big will it be?
Big enough for 20 people.
Great. Are you cooking or ordering food?
I'll order pizza, snacks, and drinks.
That's easy, and everyone likes it.
Exactly. Should we have music too?
Definitely. We can make a playlist of her favorite songs.
I'll start working on that tonight.
Will there be games or activities?
Yes, maybe some party games like charades or trivia.
That will keep it lively.
Also, I'm thinking of making a photo corner.
Oh, with props?
Yes, hats, glasses, and funny signs.
That's going to be fun for pictures.
I hope she'll be surprised.
She definitely will be. Who's helping you set up?
I'll ask 2 friends to come early.
Do you need me to come early too?
Yes, around 4 p.m. to help decorate.
Okay, I'll be there.
Do you think we should have a dress code?
Maybe casual but colorful.
Good idea. I'll tell everyone.
Are you getting her a gift?
Yes, I'm buying her a necklace.
That's sweet. Should we also do a group gift?
Sure, maybe something for her art hobby.
Like a painting set?
Exactly. We can all contribute.
I'll message the group about it.
Thanks. How much should each person give?
Maybe $10 each. That should cover it.
Sounds fair?
What about parking for guests?
They can park along the street.
All right. Will the lights be off when she arrives?
Yes. Everyone will hide and shout, "Surprise!"
Classic. She'll love it.
I can't wait to see her face.
Me too. Do you want me to take photos?
Yes, that would be great.
I'll bring my camera.
Perfect. Should we have some candles for the cake?
Of course. And matches too.
I'll add that to the shopping list.
Anything else you need?
Maybe paper plates and cups?
I can get those.
Thanks, that will save me time.
No problem. How long will the party last?
Probably until around 10 p.m.
That's a good time.
Yes, not too late, but enough to have fun.
Should we have a short speech for her?
Yes, I can say a few words.
I might say something too.
She'll appreciate it.
Definitely. I'm excited already.
Me too. Tomorrow we shop, then Saturday we party.
Can't wait.
Thanks for helping me with everything.
Always happy to help.
Let's make this the best birthday ever for her.
We will.